Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to your TikTok shop. So let's get started. So now here we are on Printify, and to connect our TikTok shop is we need to click here on My New Store, or your store name right here. Click on that and click here on Add New Store. And from here, you want to click here on TikTok since we want to connect it to TikTok. And from here, create your store. So enter your store name, let's say Sample Store, and click on Connect. And then from here, click on I have a TikTok shop account if you already have one, and make sure that you have already selected the seller shipping option on my TikTok shop. So if you want to learn what this is, you can click here on learn more and click on connect once you are done. And then this new window would pop up. So you simply need to select the region that you are currently selling on TikTok. And then next, you would need to upload some ID verification. So this would be the primary representative. This information will be used for identification and verification processes. So just provide the details that was asked right here. And then after that is you will be providing your shop information, which is very basic. It's just your shop information, of course. And then after that, they may ask you some additional information or follow-up questions about your business, on what you're selling, or how you're going to sell it and whatsoever. So just basically be honest with your answer. And then after that, you would now be able to connect your Printify to your TikTok shop. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.